So today's the 18th of July, 2025, and the guys are here, the flooring guys are here, and this is, they prepped the floor with some kind of primer stuff that they use, and now they've got the glue, the adhesive, and then this is the panels. So they did the bathroom. Got the bathroom done. And they'll be putting the wood down in here. And they've gone into the, oh, this is our new cabinet that we're going to put into the bathroom. Has a nifty drawer here. But then they went in here as well. I don't know what they were doing in here, but they are going to get prepping for in here. So, yes, I'll have floors today. Yay!
Starts filming.
It did. Okay, so here's the flooring. That light's gonna get that, sorry. Loose LVT flooring. It's the Callum series, so this is what it is. It's flexible, as you can see. It gets glued down. So the floor was primed and then glued.
36.5.
And now they're cutting.
Put your feet in the glue.
So we'll get done with that room and then we'll go into the bathroom. Then we'll get the same thing. So this has got the glue on it now. So it was prepped a little bit ago. You couldn't tell the difference. But now this is the glue. And so the fan is, they're working on the fan, get some more airflow in here, I guess. Anyway, doors were off, things are going. We'll give you a look after it. And the start of the laundry room. Bathroom is done. They're doing the laundry room, starting on master bath. Trying to get the floor dry. That's the glue. It'll turn translucent from the white when it's ready. Ask me how I know. I stepped on the glue. And I've been sticking to everything since. Oh my, this looks so nice. We'll reset the toilet here in a minute. That does look nice. Okay. Now they're into the kitchen, living room. Nope, neither kitchen nor living room. They're now going to be going into, don't walk all over it, just tiptoe somewhere in case you move it. That's what they'd said. Laundry room. So now they're out here doing that.
How long you reckon before Mike can install the toilet?
Oh, I would say anytime.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, by the time he gets here, he's probably,
Right,
probably be
yeah.
done.
Yeah. Cool. Huh? Laundry room is finished with the floor. Now we'll go back and get trim work on. Rick's working on that in the bathroom because that flooring is done as well. And this is the second bath. And then he'll get the trim back on. I'll go to the main bath, master bath. I'll turn the light on. Maybe. So here's the master bath. We'll get the trim on in just a little bit. Toilet will go back in just a little bit. And we'll have our floors and trim back on, so those rooms in phase 1 will be complete. Yes. Okay, so today's the 21st of July, 2025. We are here at home. Here we are here at home. Here we are.
A little sweaty.
A little sweaty, but we're here at home. We have sold the coach, and so it leaves tomorrow. But I thought we would give you a final, just a walk around. So it's in video. So enjoy the last you'll see of this particular coach in any YouTube we do, right?
Until the next one.
Well, of this one, that's
Yeah.
last time you'll see this one.
That's the last time. A lot of fun memories on this one then.
Yep, a lot of fun ones. So we will give you a walk around. So it never has fit totally behind or beside the garage. It always stuck out some, which is fine with us. But it is a 2011 Thor Tuscany, 43 foot for sake of saying 43. And diesel pusher 450 Cummins in it. Freightliner chassis. 4 slides. And she's going to become a resident in the state of Nebraska. No, don't do that. Anyway, there you go. Full body paint, no decals for them to worry about. Got a little bit of water runoff here.
From the
Off of the,
condensate.
yeah,
Yeah, I think I need to wipe that down.
better wipe that off. Yep, gotta wipe that off. We want her clean. So, hope you all enjoyed that. We'll give you a look at whatever happens in our near future. Here it changes the fresh rotted threshold out for us. Yeah, last another 10 years, crank this baby up and we'll be good. So today's the 4th of August and we did a little bit of work here on the front porch. I'll get out of the picture there. This was gray, so all of this was gray, and we changed it to this lighter color, which I think works a whole lot better next to the color of the house. And then I decided I wanted a blue front door. So let me get in here, shut the door. So that's what it looks like without the storm door. So this is what everybody sees now when they go by, is this front porch overhang. Put in a new light. It's a motion light, so at night it'll come on. It was a rusty old dome, cracked glass looking light that really was dated to the era of the house. But got a little more to do down here. We're trying to figure out if we need to stain this the same as what the deck will be, or if we need to just go ahead and paint it. So we'll figure that one out in a little bit, but that was one of the newer projects that we got worked on the last couple days. And we will now continue to work. All of our window trim on the inside is done. We got that all stained, restained, sanded and restained. And the weather's changing on us, so it's a little cooler out here today. We've got to get new string for our wind chimes, as they have shown their age and weather, and one broke yesterday in some of our major winds. But at least my flowers are starting to come back a little bit from being beat to pieces with all of the wind. As you can tell, it's windy today, this morning. They're still working on it, but they come back annually. These are Cora bells, and they always have these very fine stems with fine little bells on them. This is what they look like when they dry out. But we're still working on things slowly but surely. It's getting there. So hope you guys are all having a great day, and know we appreciate you giving us a thumbs up, a like, and your comments. So keep looking to see what else we're doing. We've got some major changes coming for the kitchen. Until then, see you later.